6 weeks for Packer fans watching Aaron Rodgers on the sidelines. He broke his collarbone during that game against the Chicago Bears.
And with his return still questionable in this week's game against the Cowboys, many fans are wondering, what if there was a way to heal injuries just like Rodgers that was a little faster? Well, there actually is, and as Elizabeth Schilder found out, it's technology only available in your town, Greater Wausau area.
That's right, Jeff and Amy. That technology is drawing national and international attention, including some from family members of the Green and Gold. If you look closely, this guy may look familiar to you. While he can usually be found on the sidelines cheering on his QB son, when it's not game day, Dr. Ed Rodgers, yes, Aaron Rodgers' father, is busy with his chiropractic practice in California. So what brings him to the frozen tundra? Not what you might expect. Dr. Rodgers and chiropractors from across the nation are convening on central Wisconsin to get training by Anago's own Dr. Curt Draeger.
See how you got 10 degrees more of internal rotation?
I haven't seen anything like this anywhere else.
The thing he is referring to is this, the world's most powerful hot laser, used only by Dr. Draeger and his associates to treat injuries and heal chronic pain.
It absolutely is the best healing tool I have ever seen in 28 years in practice.
Dr. Draeger started using lasers to treat pain in 2005. After seeing how they sped up healing on U.S. decathlon athletes at the Olympics in Greece, he brought the technology back to Wisconsin, where he's been working on perfecting it for the last 4 years.
Our lasers can reach that depth so that we can actually get into the nerve cells, and inside the nerve cells, the message of pain is actually memorized. So it's on a continuous loop. So when you bathe those nerves with the infrared light from the laser, it erases that.
Now he's offering the laser treatment to more than just top-notch athletes. Hugo Melke was a dairy farmer.
You have the Packers that fight against 300-pound linemen. Farmers fight against 1,300-pound cows.
And after decades of fighting those cows, Hugo's knees were shot.
It's just wear and tear that goes along with the hard occupation of dairy farming.
Scared that knee and hip replacements were in his future, Hugo sought the help of Dr. Draeger and his hot laser. After just 7 months, Hugo's feeling like a 20-year-old again.
I can do virtually everything like I used to with no pain. It's kind of unique that you have the opportunity of living right here, because people come from all over the parts of the United States now to get these treatments, and it's available right here.
And while Dr. Draeger says it's awesome shining the spotlight on central Wisconsin, he wants to take this technology global.
Now I want to train other doctors how to take care of their patients and give them the best healing tool I have ever found.
And he's teaming up with Dr. Rodgers to do it.
It really is the high-tech up-and-coming thing for treating injuries, keeping tissues healthy, and it's great to be on the cusp of that and be able to introduce that to the nation.
Now, you can't have a conversation with Dr. Rodgers without asking about Aaron's recovery. He tells me while it's hard to see him on the sidelines, the family is walking that road with him and hoping and praying Aaron recovers quickly.
As we all are. Elizabeth Schilder reporting live in the studio. Thank you. Coming up tonight on News Channel 7 at 6, we'll have more on how Dr. Draeger plans to take his laser global, including how he is teaming up with a Wausau company. And it's going to have a pretty big impact here on our economy, as well as bring some new jobs to the area. A tiny beam of light is having a huge impact on the Wausau economy. On News Channel 7 at 5, we introduce you to chiropractor Dr. Curt Draeger and his hot laser taking the field of pain relief by storm.
And while that technology right now is exclusive to our area, Elizabeth Schilder found out the doc is about to take it global with the help of a local business you can only find here in your town, Greater Wausau area. Liz joins us now live in the studio with more. Elizabeth?
That's right, Jeff and Amy. Crystal Finishing Systems has been a fixture in the Wausau economy since their inception in the early 1990s, working on aluminum extrusion and coatings. But now they're taking on a whole new challenge, the medical field, branching out and starting a separate company known as Crystal Medical that will design and assemble the world's most powerful thermal laser.
It was progress that I haven't seen before.
Jolene Koppel is experiencing the relief that comes from hot laser therapy. After losing her right arm in a farm accident when she was only 6, Jolene has suffered from chronic back, neck, and phantom pains ever since.
I was told from little on that there really wasn't any treatment for especially phantom pain.
But since beginning hot laser therapy with Dr. Curt Draeger, Jolene's chronic pain is gone. Relief from suffering that will soon be available to patients nationwide. Thanks to the grassroots efforts of Dr. Draeger and Crystal Finishing Systems President Mark Matthaie.
One day I was actually getting my back adjusted, and he had a part laying in one of his treatment rooms, and I just asked him what it was, and he goes, "Oh, well, that's a part I'm actually producing." And I, "Oh, where are you having that made?" And he said, "Well, I'm having that done in Florida." And I'm like, "You realize you could have it done a block from here?"
Dr. Draeger took Mark's advice, and for the last 4 years, the duo have been working together, creating a plan to produce the exclusive lasers at the company's plant in Wausau.
This is such a great community, and we have such great workforce here.
And soon there'll be even more employees to take care of, as Mark anticipates the creation of quite a few jobs.
We're just excited. It's a good area to do business in, and we want to keep bringing in good talent, or retaining our talent that we have here in this area.
And patients just like Jolene still can't believe the solution to their pain was right under their nose all along.
It's so surprising, like, to have such a, we're a small town, and to have such a powerful thing that could really change a lot of lives for other people who deal with chronic pain or injury.
Dr. Draeger and Mark are expecting mass production of the lasers to begin within the next 6 months.
Other products beyond the hot laser, which they hope will continue to draw attention to the greater Wausau area.
While laser therapy isn't a new method for treating chronic pain, only one practice is developing and using the world's most powerful hot laser to treat sufferers. And get this, it's located right here in your town, greater Wausau area. Chiropractor Dr. Curt Draeger and Crystal Finishing Systems President Mark Matthaie are teaming up to build the most powerful laser in the world. The thermal laser works by targeting nerve cells, sending the message of pain. Using infrared light, the laser erases your cell's memory that's giving you the pain. That in turn results in some relief. Another doctor uses the laser on his patients in Weston. He tells us it's a great option for anyone suffering from chronic pain, even kids, since it's drug-free and non-invasive.
The laser doesn't hurt at all. Most people describe it as feeling like a warm beam of sunshine, and it's actually quite relaxing.
The laser was originally developed with athletes in mind, as it can speed up the healing process by as much as 25%. But soon it will be available to patients nationwide, as production on the laser is set to begin in Wausau within the next 6 months.